I'm Kevin Swingo, and I own and operate a profitable landscape lighting company in Douglasville, Georgia called KS Outdoor Lighting. I'm fortunate to be going on my 5th year of business and lucky to wake up every day and interact with my community by designing and installing beautiful lighting systems onto their property. The Nextdoor app has really been an amazing asset for KS Outdoor Lighting for a number of reasons. One, I post photos and videos regularly, which generates likes and comments. I respond to each and every interaction, which in turn leads to more jobs, and ultimately have become an icon in the community. When I'm out and about, people approach me and say, "Hey, you're that lighting guy. I love your work." As a business owner, I'm always looking for ways to grow financially and also uplift and grow my community. If I'm so lucky and become the recipient of the Nextdoor grant, this is how I would use the funding. A portion of the funds would be used to update the wear and tear of my equipment, the wire strippers, the shovels, hammer drills, bits, gloves, and knee pads. Another portion would be used for attending spring training seminars and trade shows. This would be continuous education. I had a site visit with a customer 2 weeks ago who had cerebral palsy. They needed the lighting for safety concerns when entering or leaving their home, and unfortunately couldn't afford the cost of my system. So I would make it a point that the majority of the funds that would be received would be used for donating a lighting system to an individual who really and truly needs it. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you. In the meantime, I hope everybody has a safe and happy holiday and a wonderful 2023.